My name is George. I was actually going in for another STD, and the doctor had asked me would I might have an HIV test, and at that point I was 19 years old. I really didn't think, I never even thought about HIV. At that point, I saw my life flash before my eyes because at that point of knowing about HIV, all we knew was that people died very quickly from it. So at that time, I really didn't have any hope that I was going to survive. I was just basically hoping that I would make it through that summer. The hard thing was educating my family because I had the experiences of a lot of people not wanting me to come to their house, or some people, when we would have a dinner, they would throw away the plates or the forks that I would eat off. I think living with HIV now, because of support group, and I think because of the support groups that are in the community now, that has made it easier for me to deal with having HIV because I see that there's other people like me. And I get to hear their stories, they get to hear mine, and we realize that we're not all that different. And we all have struggles. I have my days where I may have a cough or something, and I just think about, I'm like, oh my gosh, is this going to be the day? But then I just come back to my senses. I'm like, hold on, George, you're okay. The main message that I want to send today is I want to tell people that HIV is not a death sentence. But also, another thing I want to say, wrap it up, you must use protection because it is very important in your own health, and educate yourself.